Hey, how's it going, everybody? Today I'm going to be installing my boot scrubber. Got this for Christmas. I'm going to put it outside my door so that way I can get all the mud and dirt and gunk and all that other nonsense off my boots and shoes when I come in. Well, not just me, my kids and my wife too. So this should be a pretty straightforward installation. If you look in here, you can see it's got some hardware that I'm not going to use because those are like drum wall anchors. They're not going in the ground. Anyway, we've got these four little tabs with holes in them. And what I'm going to do is use my Tapcon drill bit here, and I'm going to use 2 of the anchors. I don't think I need to use 4. I think that's overkill. I'll put them in there and I'll see how tight it is, but if it's going to work, I'll just leave 2 in there. I'll probably do 1 on each corner, like 1 here and 1 over there. So let's get to it. So real quick, I'm going to show you on my drill. Yours might have a setting too that shows a little hammer, and that's for the hammer drill. So I'm going to turn it to that. I'm going to set this on 2. It's on 1 right now, and that'll be a little stronger. It's going to be extremely loud, so make sure you use ear protection too. Anytime you're drilling through concrete, it's pretty loud. All right, so I set this down and I marked where I want the 2 holes to be. You can see it right there and right there. So now I'm just going to use my drill and see if we can get these things drilled out. All right, the holes are drilled, and so now I'm just going to slide this back into place, and then I'm going to put on my little socket driver there with those Tapcons, and we should be good to go. Here we go. It is all done. So maybe hey dudes aren't the best thing to try this on, but you can see how it's going to work. Make sure I pulled it off the wall a little bit so that I can actually stand here. I don't want to have it up like this because it'd be awkward. So yeah, works really well. Staying nice and sturdy. Yeah, pretty excited about this because I get tired of having to bang my boots against the wall and stuff like that. You can see I got dirt and stuff from where I'm always constantly banging on the wall to get the dirt off. Anyway, beautiful day here in Texas. You guys have a good one. We'll see you later.